I'll see, man. Quad number 2, man, on the way. New build on the way, man.
Now how you gonna get out?
Alright, man. Here's another slight video. I ain't dropped the video in a minute. I got content on the way. Y'all just gotta stay patient, man. Been running around. Till got to run around joints on the feet. Nothing too crazy. But anyway, y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see the title. I'll see what's going on, man. You know, if you follow the channel, you already know what's going on. We got the big red eye, you know what I'm saying? Now, car is dirty. I got like 2 or 3 races lined up. You know the car's still stock. But definitely stay tuned to the channel. I'm about to do a whole new wrap on the car. So everything you see on this is about to get pulled off. It's just, you know, full wrap on the way. It's just a little partial wrap that I had, but I'm working on the full wrap right now. The design is getting made right now, and I'm telling y'all it's gonna be crazy. So if you're not already, definitely follow the car Instagram, because it's gonna go there first, and then, you know, the video will come out second. But anyway, y'all see I did pick up another quad. If you've been following the channel, you've seen my other videos, you know I bought this quad a couple of months ago. When I got it, it didn't look nothing like this. Y'all see from the wheels, Nerf bars, I mean just everything, radiator, exhaust, decals, stickers, thumb throttle, gas cap, headlight, grill, the whole front end, that's all new, brake line, yeah, so it's a whole bunch of new pieces on this bike. Pretty much a rebuild. Chain, sprocket, brake caliber. Same thing in the front. I redid the front brakes and calibers as well. So now, when I did a walkthrough on this bike, I put some of the stuff in the description, I believe, but it was all on eBay pretty much. So some of those things are like showing no longer available. So just search the name of the item, you should be able to find it on eBay. This is the I got this off Amazon. Visor. Then it also got a, let me show y'all real quick, man. Got a sun visor right there too. So, but let me go ahead and show y'all the second quad. So y'all see, this is the same one. This is, I believe this one's a 06 and this one's a 05. Not for sure. I said it in the video, not for sure. Past video, but y'all see, man. Tires are completely done. So tires are mandatory. I was gonna paint that, but the plastics wasn't too bad, so I ended up just doing the stickers on that. But this one is getting painted. All this is getting painted. The exhaust on this one is just a regular stock exhaust. That one just had an old rusted one, so I had to switch that one. This one right here, I'm probably just gonna leave this one on here, or I may switch out if I find a decent price. With this one, it's mainly cosmetic mods with a little performance mods. I do plan on switching out some of the internals, like the starter, and like I may do a top engine rebuild, not for sure. Radiator, battery, a lot of simple stuff. Brakes, calibers, sprocket, chain. I'm gonna switch out that stuff. All that stuff is fairly cheap and easy to do. The wheels, the rims, I'm okay with the rims. I actually like the rims. You just need the tires. Nerf bars. I may not do Nerf bars on this, but definitely gonna paint these right here, because these are toe down. No point of buying new ones when I just paint those. But definitely gonna switch out the gas cap, thumb throttle. Probably get a new clutch and brake as well, reservoir, all that stuff. But y'all see, man, just getting y'all walk around, showing y'all the bike. I'm about to actually hose it down. I'm gonna hose this one down too. That way I have to fully look over it too, see what's going on. Y'all see, man, y'all see it. Now, y'all know, y'all been paying attention to videos, I don't work on these, so this is going to my boy. He gonna take care of all of it. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, because you're gonna see this whole bike get makeover. You see I did this one, now it's on this one, man, so stay tuned.
on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96. Left past, he left.